In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a list in Clickup. Whether you're reorganizing your workspace or simply need to retrieve some hidden information, this process is straightforward and easy to follow, ensuring you get back to full productivity in no time. Let's begin by accessing the sidebar within your Clickup workspace. This is where you'll find all the essential components like spaces, folders, and lists that organize your work. To start, locate the sidebar and hover over the Spaces section. You'll notice a subtle ellipsis, represented by 3 dots, appear next to Spaces. This menu is your gateway to further options within your workspace. Next, click on that ellipsis. A menu will appear, offering several choices. Here, you need to be on the lookout for an option labeled Show Archived. Click the toggle switch next to this option to enable it. By doing so, you're instructing Clickup to display all archived folders and lists within that particular space. This step is crucial because your archived list is currently hidden from the main view, and enabling this feature will allow you to navigate it. With archived items now visible, your next step is to locate the specific list you wish to unarchive. Keep in mind that this will be found within the same space where it was originally archived. Browse through the available lists until you spot the one you're looking for. If your workspace contains many archived items, take your time to ensure you've got the correct list. Once you've found your target list, it's time to unarchive it. You'll want to hover over the list, and once again, an ellipsis icon will come into view next to it. Click on these dots to open a set of options related to that list. In this dropdown, look for and click on the Unarchive option. By selecting this, you're effectively instructing Clickup to restore the list back to its original space within your workspace. After you've unarchived your list, you'll notice it seamlessly returns to its former place among any other active list you have. This restoration means all the data contained within is once again easily accessible, ready to be edited or collaborated on as needed. This simple series of steps ensures that no data is ever permanently hidden and can always be retrieved when necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, your archived list in Clickup is now unarchived, allowing you to access and use it just like any other list within your workspace. I hope this tutorial has been easy to follow and that it empowers you to manage your projects with greater ease and efficiency. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy Clickup managing!